When sealing threaded connections throughout industry, the most common approach is to use some type of thread sealing tape. In order for this sealing to be effective, it must work the first time applied, even if adjustments have to be made. Two simple demonstrations can help illustrate the difference between a commodity sealing tape and a Chesterton Gold End tape. To demonstrate what happens to the sealing tape when the connection is made, we'll wrap a paper towel around, first the end with the commodity sealing tape, moving back and forth under pressure, and check the integrity and condition of the sealing tape. And as we look at the result here, you can see fine shredding of the tape. If any piece of this gets into the line, as we all know, can certainly clog pneumatics, hydraulics, airline systems. If we do the same test now with the other end wrapped with Gold End tape, we'll make a comparison. What you see in this case, the Gold End tape has remained its integrity, no shredding, and obviously will maintain a positive seal for you. We've removed the tape from the fitting with the Gold End tape on the left and the typical commodity tape on the right. The difference is obvious. To test the sealing ability of a tape, we have an airline snap connection wrapped with a typical commodity tape. Now we'll seal the end with a cap, first hand tightening it. Once this is done, with a torque wrench, we'll tighten it down to 150 inch-pounds or 17 Newton-meter. This will then be connected to an airline. And to check the seal, we'll put it underwater. And as we rotate it around, what you can see is with sufficient care, we were able to get a positive seal. Now to check under real-world conditions, maybe temperature cycling, adjusting the line to make a further connection, we'll back the fitting up only 45 degrees. Situation often encountered in industry. So very carefully here, we'll back up about 45 degrees, and now we'll connect again to the airline and test the sealing effectiveness. And you can see significant leaks backing up only 45 degrees. So under ideal conditions, the commodity tape, we were able to make it work. But under typical industrial situations, you can see the result. We'll now repeat the sealing test using 1.5 wraps of Gold End tape. Hand tighten the sealing cap on. Tightening with a torque wrench to the same point of 150 inch-pounds or 17 Newton-meter. We'll now test the seal by connecting to the airline and underwater. And you can see a positive seal even when the fitting is rotated all the way around. To duplicate, again, what occurs often in industry, we'll back the fitting up 45 degrees. While a rather severe test, this duplicates the effects of thermal cycling, vibration, adjusting the fittings to make connections that occur every day in industry. As we rotate the fitting, you can see a positive seal. So even under the real-world conditions, Gold End tape gives us a positive seal every time.